Hey guys, so today this is going to be a quick little video on how I just got so lucky, so blessed, and I said yes to the shoes, okay? Okay, I was looking for, and I know you guys are not here for my back end story, but I'm just going to say real quick, I was looking for, no, I'm not even going to tell y'all, whatever. So as you can see in the title, I got a big ass bag full of shoes from the Goodwill. Yes, the Goodwill. And they came from what? Where? Shein. So I don't know if I'm gonna try them on for you guys, but I definitely will show them to you, and I will also give you the link because you guys aren't as blessed as me to get them for the price that I got them for. So you can go on shein.com and get them because they're still there. So yeah, but when I tell y'all, they had like over maybe 60 pairs, maybe 40, I don't know, but yeah, I got all of the cute ones, so don't even bother. All right, so let's start with these. I think I should just put the bag down, it'd be easier. These cute little what do they call them? Like lace up. They lace around your, they tie around your legs, your calf, up maybe to your knee, or you can just tie them around your ankles, and then they have the butterflies on them. Super freaking cute, right? So I think it's going to be right here, or you can see the shoes on shein.com, and they have them in this color, they have them in orange, they have them also in I think blue. But yep, so I didn't get one, I got 2 pair. No, I didn't get 2 pair, I got a set. All right, you guys probably won't hear that because that was so stupid, but yeah. All right, so moving on along, let me just put those right there, take them out the bag.
Put the bag down, you better make a noise.
I am?
Yeah.
Okay, so she said I'm making heckin' noise, so I'm gonna put the bag down. So anyways, like I mentioned before, or just a minute ago, that they also had them in orange. So yes, I got them in orange as well. They are identical to the pink ones, so I really just don't need to unravel them, but I am, just to kind of show you guys. So here are the orange ones, same thing.
Sorry, can you plug your computer and give it to me, please?
Why?
Why do you always mess with me when I'm doing videos?
Unplug the MacBook Air
Jesus.
and hand it off.
It's always a hater. Anyways. So you guys are going to be so jealous of these, I promise. I got these, and the material that lace around your legs is made out of, I don't know, some sort of material that I like. And yeah, they're super cute. So look at these. I'm about to be thotting around Los Angeles for the summer. Like any color you want to see me in, baby. I got green, I got orange, I got pink, I got black, I got blue. I think I got blue. No, I'll put the blue inside. But yeah, so also got a pair of these. But yeah, you can see them right here on shein.com. Hella cute. Hella. Oh, I thought I had 2 rights, but look. Cute. So, moving on along. These ones right here are everything, and I got them in like almost every color that was available. All right, look at this heel, you guys. Oh my god, do you see this heel? And also they're right there, so you can go get you a pair of those from Shein because they're still there. But yes, when I tell you guys the grand total that I paid for all these shoes, you're gonna be sick. You're gonna wish you were me. But anyways, yep, so super adorable, aren't they? I know, thank you. All right, so if those wasn't like the cutest ever, like I promise you that these are, and you're gonna be addicted. Bam, look at this heel. Do you guys see this heel? And then look at the front. Isn't this adorable? So freaking cute. So yep, I got those in pink, of course. And then I thought I bought more than this. So look, I got them in black as well because I just couldn't. I was like, no, I have to have them in black because, you know, black, you can wear black with anything, of course. So why not get a cute pair of black heels? And then I think the cashier, he must have stole a pair of my shoes. I could have sworn I bought more than that. Actually, you know what? Oh my god, now I forgot to film all of them in the basket. I had so many shoes in my basket, but some of them didn't fit right. They were my size, but they just were super uncomfortable, or I noticed like a scuff mark on them or something, so I was like, I'll pass. But it's this one pair right here. I am getting those from shein.com, okay, because they had them there, but they were too scuffed up for me. These are all in like great condition, like brand new, like the tag is still on the bottom. And then I also got these cute ass Velcro pants. What does SZA say? You wear me out like Velcro. Yeah. I'm about to wear the fuck out of these Velcro bands, and they stretch and they are so cute. So yeah, that's that. And I hope you enjoyed my shoes that I got from not Shein, that came from Shein for only a grand total of $50. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pair of shoes and some Velcro pants. Are they called Velcro? They ain't called Velcro. Corduroy. Did I say what does SZA say? Velcro? Or did I say corduroy?
Treat me like corduroy, wear me out, arguments, you air me out.
She ain't listening to me, and y'all probably not either. But they're called corduroy pants. So, for $50. So, yes. If I was you, and if you was me, you would be checking them Goodwill, St. Vincent de Paul, Salvation Armies. And yes, don't ever think that you're too cute, because you're not. It's nothing wrong with going to the St. Vincent's or the secondhand stores and going there and get some good deals. Like, I like to see my money in my bank account, not in theirs. So, with that being said, what you say?
It's called thrift shopping.
Thrifting. It's called thrifting. Yeah, it's called thrifting.
All
right. So, yeah, I think I'm just going to take you guys along with me on my next thrifting extravaganza. So, stay tuned for that. And then also stay tuned for my... It's going to be a combined video, my Forever 21 haul combined with my Cotton On, in which I bought these clothes a long time ago, but I refuse to wear them until I do a haul, because why not, you know? So yeah, until then, thank you so much for, yeah. Bye. Next time on 4 is Enough, I'll tell you guys exactly how I feel when it's done. I cannot guarantee that it's going to fix our faces in 20 minutes, but I know that if we continue to be consistent, yeah, I'm going to put my face on. Okay.
You sure this ain't a spell like voodoo?
get you mad, but it don't push you away.